Hello friends, you are watching new technical videos on your channel Realme Tech. Guys, keep on watching so that you can add on few new words to your knowledge dictionary. Guys, don't forget to press like, share, subscribe and bell icon given below so that you can get notification when I upload new videos. Today I come up with new video. Let's see.
Let's see what is special in Realme 2 handset. As you can see, I am unboxing it. I purchased it online from Flipkart. This is the box of Realme 2. As described here, it has 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory and expandable up to 256 GB. As you see, it has 6.2-inch HD plus display with notch full screen. It has phased unlocking system. It has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera with 8 megapixel front camera. It has good battery backup, that is 4230 mAh battery. It has Android Oreo 8.1 latest operating system. It has processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 with octa-core 1.8 gigahertz processor. It's a very nice processor, very quick.
Now I am going to open it. Now you will see what inside in it. There's a white cover Realme in which written Realme, and there's something transparent. This is a back case cover transparent. How nice it, you can see it. Now see the phone. It has a diamond crystal appearance at the back. Now I am opening the wrapper. I have removed it. Now you can see the front screen which has 2.5D curve on it edge. Very nice. Now you can see these four sides. Its thickness is 8.2 mm. Now you see here is a volume button and SIM card slot. Here is a speaker charger slot and headphone jack 3.5 mm. Here is a thickness. Very thin phone is this. This is the back side. You see the fingerprint sensor and a dual rear camera with a flash diamond crystal appearance, blue color as you are watching. Here this is a tray, SIM tray slot is this. You can see this is the front screen. Now this is a data cable, 1 meter long is this. This is the charger of Realme 2. It is of Oppo company. As you know, Realme 2 is the part of Oppo company. It is a fast charger also. Company gave, you can this is written in this charger Oppo. You can see it. This is a fast charger. So see, this is a nice looking. Now I see the pin. I am searching for pin. This is pin from where I take out the transparent cover. In that, at the back side, it have a SIM ejector pin. I am taking it out from it. See this pin. We use it. Now I am trying to pull out that SIM tray. This is a fingerprint sensor. This is oval shaped, different from other phone.
This is not a round shape, this is a oval shape, something different. How shining is this phone? You can see here. And pull out this slot. This is the I am pulling out this tray. Now this is a tray. This has a 3 slots, one for memory card and two for two different nano sims. Both nano sims slots are 4G voltage sims. This is the additional feature for this phone. This is not came to other phones. This is latest for this phone only. Now I back put inside in its place. Very gradually I put it. Now I am pressing the screen lock button so that I can switch on the phone. This is, you can see, powered by Android. You see here a Realme 2 appear in the front screen. You can see here time taking to open. Now click on menus. What option? You can see here. Click here. Now skip this. Connect to Wi-Fi. We don't want to connect to Wi-Fi. We do not need. I agree. Click on agree. Again and agree. Now skip this. Skip again. Important datas. There is no important data as I am starting the phone. This comes. This is a additional feature, 5 color operating system feature. This is only for the Realme 2. This is latest one. This is not you will get in other phone. This will take a time. This is a notch screen as you are watching it. This is a full screen, 6.2 full HD plus display screen is this. It's taking time. Get a start. Now see the menu buttons on a front screen. You can see the how touch screen is responding. It's a very nice touch. These are scrolling from top. Now see how phone is looking. Very nice. There's full. See. You can see. Now we will see the camera. Okay. Now see the camera. It's a very nice. You can see how clarity is this. Very nice clarity. We will shoot. Click here to take a pic. Now we'll see this pic. It's click. Which it click it. Now you see it is very zooming in. How clear is this? Pixel is not splitting here. You can see. Now you see the fruit is here. The watermelon you can see. So you can see the very clarity of the phone.